Okay, I got the new 686 heater dropping resistor installed. Had to parallel a 40 watt with the 7.5 or 40 watt, 40 ohm 5 watt with the 7.5 ohm, and got right at 6.8, 6.9. Voltage is exactly 4.5 volts AC. Back on the signal generator again. I got 2 volts, 2 millivolts peak to peak. For the amplitude, modulated about 1.9 kilohertz. It still doesn't look very good. It sounds all right, but this thing is just very unstable. The sine wave, this is across one of the speaker terminals to ground. I don't know why it's doing that. I'm thinking it just might be the source of my distortion. I don't know. It just looks bad. I can't tell what it's actually doing, but that's not the signal that I'm putting into it. So in fact, it might be that there's AC hum on it. Actually, when I speed up the time base, that doesn't look good. Maybe, I don't know what that is. That's kind of interesting. That could explain all those little spiky doos in the sine wave. And it could be that I just don't have at the right tap point here. I'll have to move it around, move the scope probe around, try different areas. When I put it here on that resistor, let's see. This looks more like, yeah, 120 hertz. So there's some sort of a hum there, 120 hertz on this pin. I'm not sure what that is. I have to go back, look at the schematic here. Yeah, there could be something going on in the audio output still. Maybe it's not supposed to be referenced to ground. I don't see why it wouldn't be. I'm not sure why that's sounding that way, but I'll have to look around at other places to probe this audio. I don't have the schematic in front of me, so I don't totally memorize everything here. But anyway, that's what we got right now.